Hello world, this is part 4 of the series Python from 0 to 1, and today we'll be talking about the assignment operator in Python, which simply refers to the equal sign. So here I'm going to start off with x is equals to 4, and here the variable x is assigned to the value 4 using the assignment operator, which is the equal sign. Similarly, if we have y equals to apple, the variable y is assigned to the string value apple using the assignment operator, which is the equal sign. Next, let's say we have x equals to 4 and x is equals to 5. So in algebra, this is impossible as x cannot equals to 4 and equals to 5 at the same time. However, in Python, the equal sign is actually the assignment operator rather than equality, which means that this line over here will actually override this line over here. And here, if I print x, I'm going to get 5. Similarly, let's say x equals to 6 and x equals to 7. Right now, I have x equals to 4, x equals to 5, x equals to 6, and x equals to 7. So here, the last line here, x equals to 7, will simply override all other lines before this. And if I print x, I'm going to get 7. Note that one variable can actually be assigned to different data types. For example, I can set x is equals to 4, and in the next line, I can assign x to a string apple. And next, I can assign it to the boolean value true, and here, I can assign it to a float 3.14159. So all of this is valid Python code, but still, the last line here will override all of the previous lines. And if I run this, I'm going to get 3.14159. Next, let's talk about switching variables. So to switch variables, we also need the assignment operator. So let's say we have x equals to 4 and y is equals to 5. And right now, we want to switch the values of x and y such that x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 4. So here, using the classic way, we would need to define an additional variable. So let's call it temp for temporary is equals to x. And next, x is equals to y. And afterwards, y is equals to temp. And at this point, if I print x and y, I'm going to get 5 and 4. So let's take a closer look at how this works. So here, temp is equals to x. And since x is equals to 4, temp is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 here, no change, and y is equals to 5 here, no change. And after this line executes, temp is still equals to 4, but x is equals to y, and since y is 5, now x is equals to 5. Y is not changed. And after the third line, temp is equals to 4 because we didn't change temp, and x is equals to 5 because we didn't change x, and now y is equals to temp. And since temp is equals to 4, now y is equals to 4. So notice here that x and y are actually switched. And this is how this method of switching variables work. However, there's actually a more Pythonic way of doing this. So I'm going to comment this chunk out. And I'm just going to do this x, y is equals to y, x. And if I print this, I'm still going to get 5 and 4. So this does also switch the variables x and y here, and this is known as tuple unpacking. But this is a more advanced concept that we'll cover much later on. But for now, just take it as it is. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this was clear and easy to understand. See you in the next one.